Hi guys, here we've got the Geotech Online Essentials pack. Basically, it's control pads, as you can see here, for PS3. It's not a Sony one, it's just standard wireless. There's the box. It's called the Essentials pack with the got HDMI leads, Bluetooth ear set, and charger. Someone bought it for £3. I'm having a look at it today because it's not charging. So here's the unit here. Here's the actual control pad itself. If you press this button here, it's supposed to light up, but it doesn't. The kit is complete with the wireless dongle also. So what I'm going to do here, just charge it up. When you plug the power supply in, it does light up, so it is live. Only thing is when you disconnect the power supply, there's nothing. Show you here. So I'll just leave that to charge for a bit. And we're back, as you can see here. As soon as you plug it out, press the button there, nothing. It's completely dead. So more than likely the battery is dead. So what I'm going to do now is just have a look inside. Just speed this section up. I'm just undoing the back cover. So undoing the 7 screws, I think it is. Let's get this one at the side there. So it's just a matter of easing this back cover off. You can see there, a couple of the side panels fell off, side trims. And that's the actual battery pack there, and it just connects onto the main board by this connector here. So it's just a matter of disconnecting the battery. There's the battery there. I've removed it from its sticky pads off the main board. It's just a matter of plugging it out here. That's the battery disconnected. Just give you a little close up of the unit here. You can see the rumble motors on the side there. Just give you a little close up here. And this is where the battery connects there. Little white plug. So I've had a look on the internet. I've managed to find one. There's different sizes, 6mm by 20mm by 30mm. That's the size for this one. It's just a standard 3.7 volt battery. The original PS3 battery comes with the connector. This doesn't. So I'm going to have to join the connector from the old battery onto this new one. You can see there. That's the new battery, slightly smaller. You can see on the side there it's stamped 3.7 volts. So this is the old connector which I've took off the old battery, and I've just got to, let me speed this section up. I'm just going to solder it onto the new battery and put some black tape around it, like you can see here. And now that that's done, it's just a matter of plugging it back in. You can see here, just plugging it back into its socket on the main board of the control pad. And then it just sticks back onto this sticky pad here. And then I'll just put this sticky pad, which I took off the other side, stick it on the top there. And just tuck these wires out the way, make sure they're nice and they're not going to get trapped. Oh, I've got to stick these little trims back in, little side trims. Just speed this section up. And that's them fitted, pretty much. So now that that's done, it's just a case of putting this back cover back on. You can see me there. Just going to tuck this trim in slightly, and that's it. That's the back panel, back cover fitted. So it's just a matter of putting these screws back in, and I'll put them in lively because there's 7 of them. And that's the last one. So that's back assembled. Let me just show you here. That's the unit fully assembled. So as you can see here, it's working fine. Let me just show you here. That's the actual dongle. It's got a little red light on it. So the controller is working fine. You see a red light there, so it's connected. Let me just show you here. I'll use one hand because I've got the camera in the other hand. As you can see, I managed to navigate successfully. So that's a successful fix. Just needed the battery replaced. So with that, thanks for watching once again, and please subscribe.